Please subscribe P.Y.Q Journey. Who launched the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana? Answer है Narendra Modi. The main focus of the first 5-year plan was on the answer है agriculture sector. In which year did India first participate in the Olympic Games? Answer है 1900 में. With which state is the Nabakalebra festival associated? Answer है Odisha. Which branch of physics deal with property of fluid at rest? Answer is इसका hydrostatics. Question number 6. The first amendment to the Constitution of India was made on 1951. Question number 7. The pH range of a human body is 7.35 to 7.45. Question number 8 है when was the Hindustan Republican Association formed? Answer है 1914. Where was the first nuclear power plant set up in India? Answer है तारापुर. Question number 10. Who wrote the famous Hindi novel Thomas? Answer है बीसम साहनी.